Good afternoon, GMA SHRM members. This is Tammy Wasik with your board of directors. I want to show you how to use our new HR chat function on our website. So you're going to navigate to gmashrm.org. When you get here, you will click on the link here for the Madison HR chat. If you aren't already logged in, it will prompt you to log in with your email and your password. And then you will be able to come to this page. It will initially take you to the home page, and then you'll click on the HR chat. So once you're logged in, you will see all of the topics for discussion here. You can click into any of them. You can see the initial item that was posted and then the responses to that item. And by clicking on this button here, you can subscribe to the topic so that you'll receive an email notification when there are new messages to that particular topic. Also, you click on the reply button if you want to respond to that post. So if you go back to the topics, you can also click this button here at the top to subscribe to the HR chat. And I know I have this set up just so I get email reminders about the HR chat. So I go out there every now and again and see what new items have been posted. So also, if you want to start a discussion, you click this button here at the top and at the bottom to create a new topic. And so this is a great opportunity for our members to pose a question, get ideas from other members, or get information. And this is all included as part of your membership benefits. So you should definitely take advantage. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.